Alright guys, we're back down here at the shop. We're going to be pulling the motor out the 2010 Tahoe. We got another one in there on the engine stand that we're going to be building. So, y'all hang tight. Watch me get this thing ready to be pulled out. Appreciate it guys. Y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Alright y'all, got the motor out. My battery died, so I couldn't record. I was going to do a time lapse on me getting it all out. I just got enough battery to do this little short video real quick. But I'm going to be degreasing all of this, getting it all cleaned up. And possibly putting some new lume on the harness in certain spots. AC compressor still in there, still hooked up, all that good stuff. I did leave the transmission in it. I'll just have to fight it a little bit whenever I put the motor back in, the new motor. But I think both motor mounts were shot on this thing. I don't know, passenger side was fairly decent. But as y'all can see, she's covered in oil and crud. So, but this motor ain't going nowhere. We're going to tear it apart and clean it up, take it to the machine shop, the block, the crank, all that good stuff, and get everything checked and all that good stuff, and we'll put it back together and have it sitting here on the floor of the shop for another project. Don't know what that would be, but it might go into 73 Nova. Good idea. But I don't know yet. We'll see. Alright, I had you on the time lapse, but y'all seen? I got back here to number 7, pulled out the exhaust side. She is bent pretty good. Like, that thing is bent, dude. Let me check the exhaust. So the exhaust is straight. I don't know if y'all can tell. So that was the problem with my 366,000 mile motor right there. I knew it was down on power, just couldn't figure out what it was, but here it is. Y'all see I got them the same at the bottom. It's pretty bent. Pretty bent. I got my little boy down here. He's helping me today, so that's him in the background, y'all. What's up, dude? What's up? This right here is the reason you don't trust people who work on your vehicles. The reason I say that because I think this head was replaced on this side, because that's a $7.99 head. This is a 243 head. I could be wrong, but I think this is the factory one. This is the one that was replaced. So yeah. That one was fine. That one was fine. That one's fine. This is the one where the bent push rod was at. This one right here. And that one's fine, it looks like. So I really don't know what was going on with that deal. But let me get some pliers and get in there and get that mother liquors out. Later. I was about to tell you I never reuse any of the lifters or anything, so yep. I do usually hold on to these two bolts for your lifter trays. I mean, they're not torqued to yield, so you can reuse them. So I always reuse these. I like to keep them around anyways. All right, we're gonna pop all the rods and pistons out. The motor's pretty wore out, so it should. Literally push it right out. Oh yeah. I did check them in the bore. It did have a bunch of piston rock. So yeah. That is fine. These rods should still be fine. The pistons ain't. Y'all can see the side skirts on the wore out. Just lay them down on the ground for right now. It is what it is. Rod bearings look pretty decent for the most part. I think this one's got a little bit of carbon buildup at the top. Well, that hammer's too big to get in there with. That one too, apparently. Alright, y'all, 2 more. And then that'll be as far as I'm gonna go with it right now. I'm gonna just leave the crank in the cam in it. So I'll just set it in the shop in the corner somewhere for right now. The only reason I'm taking the pistons and rods out is because I'm gonna use them in this motor that's going back in this truck. I'm gonna check them, make sure they're all checked out and everything. So, yep. I think they should be good. They're Gen 4 rods, so. See, I see the little Little dimple right there. That's how you know they're Gen 4 rods. That little dimple on them. And it'll be facing the opposite of your dot on your piston. It's a dot on the piston. It's a dot on the rod. So last one. I do have new rod bolts I'm gonna take to the machine shop whenever I take these rods and have them to put them in and see if they need to be resized or whatever. Like I said, guys, she's wore out. See the scratching on the piston there? Yep. Alright, I'm gonna get this mess cleaned up, get myself cleaned up, and that's gonna be it. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all Alright, man, I appreciate y'all for watching. Alright, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned for the rebuild. Well, not of this motor, but the new one I got in there, the new block. This one here, I'm gonna just set it in the corner. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good one.